So welcome back, BMF Speed Shop. So this is the second video, number 2, of the 1985 Chevy camper, Class C RV. I've been working on it for a little while, so I thought I'd give you guys a little update video since the first video. I did some things. So I cleaned this whole camper, the outside, and I buffed all the old paint. You can see it actually, turned out pretty decent. Came back around. I did an oil change to it. Topped off all the fluids, checked everything. Everything looks good. I bought 6 tubes of clear 30-year silicone, and I siliconed every square inch. I didn't do a great job. It's not a professional, but I sealed up every square, every seam on this camper, every window with that clear stuff. I scraped all the old stuff off and then sealed it all up, and it seems to be pretty dry in there, knock on wood. See, what else did we do? This rear corner over here, somebody had smashed into it, so I did some kind of like half-assery there, and I fixed it with fiberglass. And well, I replaced the wood, then I put fiberglass, because this is all fiberglass, this whole unit, so I just put fiberglass resin on here, and then I kind of touched it up with a little spray paint. It looks like crap, but it keeps the water out. That's really what the main goal is. Now I'll take you inside, give you a little tour. It's kind of messy in here because my kids had some sleepovers this weekend and they were going buck wild in this camper. So they got it all trashed in here. I should be able to give you guys the rundown. So I fixed the overhead area. I put all new wood up here. I don't know what's going on with this camera. It's not wanting to focus on us here. Yeah, I put all new wood. I didn't have a lot of money, so I had like scrap 2x4s laying around. So I just took the scrap 2x4s and I cut them all like, varying depths. And then put them up there with construction adhesive. I used Great Stuff foam in all the nooks and crannies, and then I had some paneling left over. And then I just did all the rest around there in paneling. And there's still, I have to like fix up these little corners. I was just gonna glue little pieces in there and trim them, but I never got to that far. Back here, dang kids, I tell ya. They just do whatever they want. I painted all the kitchen. I took all these little crappy shells off. I painted all around there with a nice beige to match my kitchen at home. So you get that nice homey feel. And then I painted the roof and the shower, and I gotta redo the shower still because it looks like crap. So I'm not even gonna show you that. Other than that, it looks like crap in here because, like I said, the kids are going buck wild, but we have camped in it twice now, and it has been awesome. We went out and camped for the Iola car show. We camped out at my mom's house, which is like 6.5 miles or something from Iola. And then, oh nice, the kids left the window down. I don't know I started this beast before, or why my camera's being crappy today. Yeah, I didn't even touch the gas. She just fired right up. Yeah, this thing is so nice. 56,000 miles on there. 350 4-bolt main. I think it looks pretty nice for basically junk price, It does have this little spot of rust right there, which looks all white because I buffed it and wax got in there and stuff. Some things that I gotta do still. I gotta get new headlights for it. I'm gonna do a LED upgrade, and then I'm gonna put an awning on here because we realized that when we were camping it was really sunny. We didn't have enough shade. Maybe tint the windows. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I might put like a air helper in the back, so if I ever pull my car hauler or anything, she's not squatting too low and ass dragging. But yeah, I got a few little things going on with it. For some reason everybody wants to buy this thing, so I gotta fix the door. I still haven't did that. I completely rebuilt the door. It's shit. I'm gonna have to rebuild it a second time. But yeah, I can't wait. Can't wait to take this thing for a serious road trip. It's gonna be epic. So thanks for watching. If you're into RVs, stay tuned.